Hello, thanks for joining today's webinar. You can enlarge your screen for the optimal viewing experience using these buttons. You can also click the arrow here to view the hidden menu. The section at the very bottom will twirl out a menu that allows you to ask questions for the host to answer. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoy this webinar.
Hello everyone, my name is Tiffany and today I have with me Andrea. We are Tax Bandits and we're going to discuss another one of our Tax Bandits awesome features, and this is going to help you save so much time and money. It's our credit feature.
And as a reminder, TaxBandits is an IRS authorized e-file provider. Now, we love to talk about taxes and we have years and years of experience, but we are not tax advisors. If you need assistance with preparing returns or any other specific tax questions, please consult a certified tax preparer or the IRS.
So, like I said, today we're going to discuss credits and how to use them. So, how about you start us off today and tell us what credits are?
Well, credits are prepaid forms. You can purchase credits in bulk, and this allows you to take advantage of the built-in discount that tiered pricing provides.
And when you go ahead and get your credits, you're preparing your account, you're setting yourself up for an easier time during January, and especially January, but really all throughout the year, and you're saving yourself money.
Exactly.
And these are just some of the practical and proactive tips that we suggest to go ahead and save yourself time. You don't have to put your credit card in every time. You don't have to worry about finding your card, or if you're away from the office, you've got those in your account, and you don't have to worry about getting your boss's credit card number.
Exactly.
And in doing that, it's very secure so that the card information's not in there, or you're not trying to text credit card information or say it aloud over a phone call or send it through email or any way that's not secure.
Correct. Even, busy time of year, you may have some temporary staff people in your account. You don't want to share that information with them. And even if you save your credit card information in your TaxBandits account, you're still going to have to enter that CVV code.
Mm-hmm.
That's the one thing I can never remember. So I've always got to go find my card to enter that code.
Exactly. Even if the information is saved in your phone or wherever, that code is never going to be saved for
Correct.
Security reasons.
Mm-hmm.
And saving you money, you were talking about the discount. So how that works is the tiered pricing, the more forms you purchase, the lower the cost per form is going to be. And when you're doing your forms, in order to keep it kind of separated, if you've got a large account and you've got a lot of different payers or businesses that you're filing for, a lot of clients will purchase per business.
Mm-hmm.
So the discount will stop after you make your purchase. So in order to get the biggest discount,
Mm-hmm.
purchasing the credits all at one time, let's say you need 1,000 credits and you file 100 at a time, you've gotten that discount for those 1,000 credits versus that 100 at a time. So you're saving even more. And that way you can go in and you can file as needed.
Mm-hmm.
And that way you don't have to worry about that discount. You've already saved your money and you don't have to deal with it anymore.
Exactly. And a lot of CPAs will tell you, I can just leave them all in my cart and transfer them all at once. But you always have those clients that as soon as they give you their information, they're going to come back and where are my forms?
Mm-hmm.
Where are my forms? So when you have those early birds that get all their information in as they should, you can go ahead and transmit those forms. You've got that discount. They know their information has
Mm-hmm.
been transmitted. They're good. You don't have to wait on the late the late arrivers that are going to get that information to you on
Exactly.
January 30th.
Exactly. And that way you're saving yourself that time and that
Mhm.
stress, because January is stressful enough
Mhm.
with the business taxes, the recipients, the deadlines, and there's so many different deadlines in January. And I know you've got so many different forms that you're filing in January, so you're dealing with all of that, and you don't want to have to worry about getting them mixed up as you're just letting them sit in your cart.
Exactly.
And going back to, you were talking about the temporary staff. So in TaxBandits, when you create a staff account, it's going to have separate sign-ins. Thank you. And so with that, they can see that you have credits. So when you purchase credits in your administrative account, they're shared through all of your staff account depending on the roles. So you can select who you want to be able to use the credits and who only has ability to fill out the forms. This will eliminate you having to worry about if somebody's transmitting something that they shouldn't be, because only certain people are going to have that ability. And you don't have to worry about the people who don't have that ability seeing all the credits or your card information or anything like that.
Yeah, we've tried to put everything in place to make it as easy as possible, especially for the busy tax filing times.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about all of our clients who bulk upload and they have so many at one time. It can get overwhelming.
Yeah, it can. But the good thing, if you're going to bulk upload hundreds of forms at a time, then you can apply those credits to all of those forms at once.
Yes, and that saves you time and, again, money. That's the bottom line, right? Time and money.
Yeah,
That's what businesses run on.
exactly.
And the more time and money we can save you, the easier it's going to be when you have all those forms that you have to deal with.
Keep in mind there are two ways that you can purchase credits. You can log into your account and purchase them yourself. If you don't want to do that, if you can just send an email to support@taxbandits.com, let us know how many credits you want and what type of credit, whether it's a 941 or a W-2 1099. We can actually invoice you. And as soon as you pay that invoice, those credits are automatically in your account.
Yeah, it's a secure link that we send, and you don't share your credit card information with anybody. You put in your card, nobody sees that but you, and the credits will automatically go on.
Exactly.
And just something to keep in mind with that security, it's really recommended by the IRS that everybody sets up two-factor authentication, and that is available in all TaxBandits accounts, administrative accounts, staff member accounts, even recipient accounts. So what I mean by recipient accounts is when you set up Bandit Connect through your CPA account or your tax preparer account, you're sending your recipients their forms via online access, or if you are having them approve them before you transmit. So in doing that, when they get their secure link to see their form, they also have the opportunity to set up two-factor authentication then, so that it's even more secure. So your card information is safe, their information is safe. We take a lot of steps to make sure that everybody is secure all the way around.
Right.
Now, I'm going to quickly show you how to purchase and use prepaid credits in TaxBandits. So we're going to start with regular tax filing credits for regular tax forms. We also have BOI credits available, and I'll show you that later. So from your dashboard, you're going to click on the settings icon up here and select credits. Then you'll need to choose what kind of credits you need, either 1099 W-2 5498 forms, 94X forms, or ACA forms. Do 1099 today, and then you can add credits for federal e-filing, state e-filing, postal mailing domestically, postal mailing internationally, and online access. You'll find under this pricing button here a breakdown of the discounts that you get for each amount of credits that you purchase. So the more credits that you purchase, the cheaper each of those forms are. If you need bulk pricing for 2,000 or more credits, you can contact us at that number. Then we'll click Review Order. Then this will be your order summary. You can edit and add more forms here or continue and complete your order. Agree to our credit card usage statement and add or choose an existing card and click pay. And now if you go back to the credits page and look under credit history, you'll see that you have purchased those credits. You can view a receipt. And you'll see when you're completing your order, in this case I filed 2 1099s, that those credits have been applied, 2 for federal filing, 1 for state filing, and 1 for postal mailing. The only thing I'm paying for here is TIN matching and USPS address validation, which are not included in those credits. You'll just complete your order, and that's it. Now, if you want BOIR credits, we're going to navigate to the BOIR section of the account up here. Then you're going to click Add Credits up here. If you want a subscription plan that allows you to file unlimited filings for either 50 lifetime EINs or unlimited lifetime EINs for a year, you can choose either the Mini Bandito or Bandito package. You can see the prices there, and you will receive access to all Pro and Premium features. Now, if you're not ready for that and you just want to add a few filing credits, you can come over here and start adding credits. Once you get beyond 5 credits, you'll start to see discounts. So you can do one-time filing, annual filing, lifetime filing. Once you have all the credits that you want, go ahead and click continue. Acknowledge the credit card usage statement and add or enter a new card. Confirm that you have the authority to use that card and click pay. Now you'll see the available credits up here. You can also view more information over here, including available credits, used credits, a credits transaction report, and add more credits if you wish. Now when you reach the payment page of a BOI report, you'll see your total credits here, and when you select one, show remaining credits as 5, and you can also remove, select a different thing. Then once it's applied, just click Submit to FinCEN, and that's it.
Okay, so just keep in mind, if you have any further questions about credits, please don't hesitate to reach out. Now is the time to get all of this in place because, you want to have it in place before January. So go ahead and set up your 2-factor authentication if you haven't done so. Set up your staff accounts, invite your clients, like and follow our YouTube channel, and just check out the TaxBandits website. We've got tons of resources there that you can view.
Absolutely. And thank you all for joining us today. Please leave any questions or comments below in the description. And if you haven't already, make sure you create your TaxBandits account at taxbandits.com. Bye.